Enables wireless music streaming, hands-free calls, and modern Bluetooth connectivity in older vehicles. Today's video is about top 5 best transmitter Bluetooth 6.0 car adapter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Nulaxy car transmitter Bluetooth adapter. The Nulaxy Bluetooth car FM transmitter is a powerful and feature-rich upgrade for any vehicle, combining fast charging, stable connectivity, and enhanced audio experience in one compact device. With 54W total output, including PD36W and QC18W, and a 4-port design, it allows multiple devices to charge simultaneously at high speed, making it ideal for long drives and busy users. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.3 technology, it ensures faster pairing, more stable connections, and improved sound clarity for both calls and music playback. The audio experience is further enhanced with deep bass effects and colorful LED lighting, adding both style and convenience for nighttime driving. Safety is well covered with protections against overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating, and short circuits. It also supports a wide voltage range, 12V 24V, making it compatible with most vehicles. With voice control, easy frequency tuning, and simple Bluetooth pairing, it delivers a smooth, hands-free driving experience. Overall, it is a versatile and reliable car accessory for modern drivers. Now our second product is LENCENT car transmitter Bluetooth adapter. The LENCENT T25 Bluetooth FM transmitter is a versatile and practical car accessory that enhances both entertainment and safety while driving. It delivers crystal clear music streaming with CVC noise reduction and anti-static design, ensuring stable, full duplex sound quality. It supports multiple playback options, including Bluetooth, USB flash drive, and micro SD card, with compatibility for popular audio formats like MP3, WAV, FLAC, and APE. With dual USB ports, 5V 2.4A and 5V1A, it allows simultaneous charging of two devices while offering built-in safety protections such as overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuit, and temperature control for secure charging. Hands-free calling and voice navigation are clear and reliable thanks to noise suppression and echo cancellation technology, improving driving safety. The device also displays car battery voltage, helping monitor vehicle health in real time. A soft blue ambient light adds convenience for nighttime use. With wide Bluetooth compatibility and stable FM frequency range, it ensures smooth connection and uninterrupted music streaming for everyday driving. Our third product is JOYROOM car transmitter Bluetooth adapter. The JOYROOM FM transmitter Bluetooth car adapter is a well-designed upgrade for vehicles without built-in Bluetooth, offering flexible connection options through both FM and AUX modes. The AUX connection delivers especially clean, zero-distortion audio, while FM mode provides wide compatibility for older car systems. One of its strongest features is fast multi-device charging, with a PD60W Type-C port and dual QC 3.0 USB ports, allowing 3 devices to charge simultaneously at high speed. The intelligent power distribution helps ensure efficient and safe charging for smartphones and other devices. For driving safety, the vent-mounted design keeps the unit at eye level, reducing distractions, while larger buttons make operation easier and safer on the road. Audio performance is enhanced with hi-fi bass boost and CVC 8.0 noise reduction, ensuring clear calls and strong music output even in noisy environments. With Bluetooth 6.0 for fast pairing, stable connection, and automatic reconnection, it offers a smooth and reliable hands-free driving experience overall. Now number 4, Nulaxy car transmitter Bluetooth adapter. The Nulaxy KM18 Bluetooth car adapter is a practical and well-equipped solution for upgrading in-car connectivity. Its 1.44-inch LCD display clearly shows essential information such as FM frequency, call status, music playback, and car battery voltage, helping drivers stay informed without distraction. The flexible gooseneck design allows easy adjustment of the screen angle, improving visibility and convenience during driving. With Bluetooth version 5.4, the device ensures faster pairing, stronger stability, and fewer connection drops for a smoother audio experience. Audio quality is enhanced through noise cancellation technology, delivering clearer hands-free calls and crisp music streaming with reduced road noise interference. The single multifunction button simplifies call handling, allowing users to answer, reject, or redial calls safely while driving. It supports multiple input methods including Bluetooth, AUX, and TF card, and works with a wide range of devices and vehicles, 12V, 24V. Overall, it offers a reliable mix of safety, convenience, and solid audio performance for everyday driving. And our last choice is LIHAN car transmitter Bluetooth adapter. The LIHAN Bluetooth 5.3 FM transmitter is a practical and affordable upgrade for cars without built-in Bluetooth, turning any vehicle into a wireless audio hub. It streams music, podcasts, navigation, and calls directly from your phone through FM radio, supporting popular apps like Spotify, YouTube, and TikTok with Bluetooth 5.3 and anti-interference tuning, 88.1 to 107.9 MHz. It delivers a more stable connection and helps reduce static in crowded city FM environments. The dual USB ports allow simultaneous charging for phones and other devices, while the real-time battery voltage display adds extra safety by alerting you to potential battery issues. Hands-free calling is smooth thanks to CVC noise cancellation and a built-in microphone, ensuring clearer conversations even in noisy traffic. Calls automatically switch from music and resume playback afterward, improving convenience while driving. Compatible with most Bluetooth devices and supporting multiple audio formats, it's easy to set up, portable, and ideal for commuting, travel, and everyday use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.